am Naveen Anthony, and today I am going to convert an image into jigsaw puzzle with the help of Lasso Tool and Layer Effects tool. So be with me till the end of this video. So here it is. So here it is in Photoshop, this image of jigsaw puzzle downloaded from internet. There are 4 patch color along with this white surroundings color. So I remove this white colors with the help of wand tool, magic wand tool. I remove this white colored patch. Now it becomes transparent, and then I dragged it into this image. So here it is, this image, and then each individual patch I separated like this here. See here, each individual patch I separated. This all 4 colors patch, that is separate. See here, this is separate, right? To take the control of the image, and then thereafter I'm just link layer, dragging it more inward, and then again right click and unlink layers. This time I'm using Photoshop CS6. Now here it is. So see, first of all, this image. So control click will select the boundary of the image. So I control click on this patch, control clicked on this patch, and then come to this layer, which is layer 0. I just unlocked it, layer 0 this one is, and then copy and go to edit, copy it, and again go to edit, paste special, paste in place. Now see here, we pasted. So now go to effects, bevel and emboss, and apply bevel and emboss. Then you will be clearly see it. And here I am using pillow emboss to give it depth like of feelings, and if required then increase the depth amount. Okay, so that is done with one patch. Then again go to second patch, control click on that patch, green is selected. I am hiding this green one and going to layer 0. Here it is, layer 0, here it is. Now see, you can be able to see it more clearly. And then come to this 0, layer 0 means this image layer, control C and control shift V for paste in place. And again go to this previous layer in which you applied effects, go click on right click and click on copy layer style, and then again come to this layer and paste layer style. Done. Then shrink it, go to third one, which is third one, yellow. So click on this patch, this area, right? Click, control click over there, then again come to this section, control C, control shift V, and then right click, paste layer style. This is done, right? Then again shrink it, and then fourth one, do the same with the fourth patch. Control click, that patch will be selected, come to this layer, and then control C, control shift V, and then hide this patch, and then right click, paste layer style. As you already copied that layer style, and that layer style is the same for all the layers, so just copy and paste because that information is kept in the clipboard only. That's it. So we have done with 4 patches, right? Now it's time to continue with it. For that purpose, again come over here, this one, blue one, unhide it means visible it, and then shift drag so that it will be dragged in an aligned way. And then again control click on this patch, come to again that image layer, control C, control shift V, and then right click, copy, paste layer style. This is done, right? And then select this red one, and with shift drag it. I already dragged it. See, with shift drag it and position it. Done. So here it is okay, here it is okay, but here it is, see, this should be like one uh, there should be cut mark over here in red patch that is not coming. So for that we will manually create that uh, area, hollow area. So for that purpose, just select this one layer, control click and select this one, then click on red layer, go to red layer and press delete. So here we have created already, right? Then then again click over here and hide it, go to image layer and again control C and control shift V for paste, right click, paste layer style. So this is how we can go with the, now see how it is coming, see jigsaw puzzle form of it is coming, jigsaw puzzle form of. This is how we can convert an image into a jigsaw puzzle by the help of only Lasso Tool and effects tool of the layer panel. Hope you liked it. So please like, subscribe and share it with others. Thank you. Thanks for watching.